Hello everyone, today let's learn how to install automatic updates for apps on iPhone, how to turn on or turn off automatic updates in your iPhone using your iOS 16 or 15, it doesn't matter. So, to get started, open up the Settings application. Next step, scroll down until you find App Store. Here we are, proceed to App Store, and next step you'll be able to see automatic updates. Next to app downloads, tap on this toggle to turn on. Next to app updates, tap on this toggle to turn on. And next to in-app content, tap on this toggle to turn on. Now you just go back and use your device.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.